Hi y'all, welcome back to Cooking McGee Style. Okay, let's make this white enchilada gravy. 3 tablespoons of butter. Put it on a medium-low heat. So make it 3. Okay, let that melt. Okay. Back to medium. Melting butter. Now we're gonna add some flour. 1 tablespoon. 2, 3 tablespoons of flour. Oh look, we're making a roux. We're gonna whisk this for about a minute. Alright, now we're gonna add some chicken broth. 1.5 cups chicken broth. We're gonna turn the temp up, medium high. So that's about 7. Let's keep on stirring on. Now we need it to boil. However much you want. Garlic. Tablespoons. Cream cheese. Is boiling. Alright, take it off the heat. Let it rest for 5 minutes. It still needs to cool a little bit more before we put the sour cream in. And just a little bit of oregano. Yeah, I like the color of it. Use all the cilantro and the sauce. It's a little bit thicker than I wanted. Like if I was just topping, yes, perfect. I'm gonna see what happens after I add the sour cream. And then I might add more chicken broth. I never throw out my chicken broth until I'm done, just in case anymore. This needs to sit just a little bit longer. We don't want to put the sour cream in anything hot. I want to make sure this is not hot before I put the sour cream in. It's not a sour cream. Okay, that's done. I'll taste it. It looks too thick for me for what I'm wanting to do. Let me taste it. It's really good. I really think it's too thick though. I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken broth. It's 1 tablespoon. And that's 2.
A lot of stirring in here.
It's basically like a roux. You want to taste it?
I guess I can.
It's a little bit on the thick side, but
It's cold.
well, yeah. I needed to get cold before I put the sour cream, or it would
Okay.
curl.
Well, it tastes good, but what is it?
Let's taste it. It's really good.